Southern New Hampshire plow trucks are clean and shiny today, but this weekend, they could be clearing up to a foot of snow. Plow trucks now coming out of hibernation in the southern part of the state, pre-treating the roads today.
In advance of the weather, we're out pre-salting our runs with liquid brine.
Over 300 miles of roads are being pre-treated in Nashua as the Public Works Department is gearing up for a 16-hour shift this weekend. The Nashua Street Department will have a full staff of 80 plow drivers, but Manchester will have about 50 trucks on the road, which the Director of Public Works, Tim Clarity, says isn't as much as he'd like.
We're suffering from a pretty serious staffing shortage, but we're confident that we're going to be able to handle this storm without a problem.
But Director Clarity believes the temperature could help plow the roads.
It should be cold, so it'll make for a light, fluffy snow, which makes it easy to plow.
And both areas are asking for people to be ready to take their cars off the street.
We may declare a snow emergency. There'll be free parking in the two garages here in town, Elm Street and High Street, if that is the case.
Now, if there is that snow emergency, the Manchester Director of Public Works tells me that there will be 8 to 9 garages open for free parking. We're live here in Manchester. Troy Lynch, WMUR News 9.